Slovakia is revisiting its military modernization strategy, and big changes may be on the horizon. The country's defense minister, Robert Kalinak, recently confirmed that Slovakia is considering alternatives to the initially planned acquisition of Leopard 2A8 main battle tanks. This shift is due to the high costs involved in acquiring such tanks, with the CV90120T light tank now emerging as a potential solution. The CV90120T, developed by BAE Systems, is a much more affordable option compared to the Leopard 2A8. While the Leopard tanks were initially seen as the go-to solution, with a price tag of around €25 million per unit, Slovakia's defense budget simply cannot accommodate such an expensive program. The CV90120T at just €11.5 million per unit costs almost half the price, making it a much more financially viable choice. This decision comes as Slovakia looks to modernize its military forces, including the creation of a new mechanized brigade. The country's current tank fleet is outdated, consisting of T-72M1 tanks and 15 Leopard 2A4 tanks donated by Germany. Slovakia aims to increase its tank fleet from 30 to 52 vehicles, and even establish a second tank battalion to boost operational readiness. But with the NATO operational requirements in mind, Slovakia needs to reach a total of 104 combat tanks. The initial plan to acquire over 100 Leopard 2A8 tanks was part of a joint initiative with Germany, but the price tag made the program financially unfeasible. Now Slovakia is turning its attention to the CV90120T, a light tank that offers the same operational capabilities at a fraction of the cost. The CV90120T isn't just affordable, it's also a strategic asset. Integrating it into Slovakia's forces could lead to better standardization and increased cooperation with the CV-9035 infantry fighting vehicles already in order. This would create a more streamlined and efficient military fleet while also boosting Slovakia's domestic defense industry. In conclusion, Slovakia's re-evaluation of its military modernization plans highlights the need for cost-effective solutions that maintain operational strength. As the country navigates its defense strategy, balancing financial constraints with NATO commitments will be key to ensuring both a secure future and a modern, capable military force. The CV90120T is quickly becoming a viable option, offering Slovakia a way to modernize its military forces without breaking the bank.